Unraveling Idioms. Run Up the Flagpole. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, run up the flagpole. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love to expand your idiomatic knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning behind this expression and how you can use it in your everyday conversation. So, let's get started. The phrase, run up the flagpole, is an idiom that essentially means to present an idea, plan, or proposal to see how people will react to it. Imagine literally running a flag up a flagpole and then watching to see who salutes. It's a way of testing the popularity or acceptance of something. In a business or creative setting, this might involve proposing a new idea to colleagues or superiors to gauge their interest or approval before moving forward with it. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them better. The exact origin of run up the flagpole is a bit murky, but it's believed to have gained popularity in the mid-20th century, especially in American corporate and advertising circles. It taps into the imagery of hoisting a flag to see if it draws a salute, a metaphor for testing out an idea to see if it gains approval or support. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use run up the flagpole in a sentence. We have a new marketing strategy that we're going to run up the flagpole at the next meeting. Before we commit to this new theme for the event, let's run it up the flagpole with the committee. I have an idea for a project, but I need to run it up the flagpole with my boss before we proceed. These examples show how you can use this idiom in professional and casual settings to express the idea of testing or proposing something new. There are a few other idioms with similar meanings that you might find useful. Test the waters, to try something out in order to gauge the reaction or response. Float an idea, similar to running up the flagpole. It means to suggest an idea casually to see what others think of it. Put out feelers, to ask around or probe indirectly to gather opinions or feedback on a subject. These phrases can be used interchangeably in some contexts, though each has its own unique nuance. We hope this exploration of the idiom, run up the flagpole, has been enlightening and that you feel more confident using it in your own conversations. English is filled with colorful expressions that can make communication more vivid and engaging, and understanding them is a key part of mastering the language. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.